Yep. Early August. What's this? Third week of this shit? Yeah, hottest summer since time began.
You were under the impression that when you were walking forwards, that you'd end up further onward. But only love can make it rain. The way the beach is kissed by the sea. Only love can make it rain like the sweat of lovers.